Now, when you become an affiliate marketer, it's very important that you have two things. One, a bridge page funnel, and two, an autoresponder for you to collect emails so you can follow up with your customers. Now, I'm in my backyard right now. I'm letting the dog out. So this is just to show you you can build a business anywhere that you have internet access, and it can be done very easily. This here is the Affiliate Escape Plan by Brian Brewer. This is a education platform that teaches you how to succeed with affiliate marketing. It's one of the courses that I'm promoting right now, and this is just what we're going to build our funnel off of. I offer my funnels through a company called ClickFunnels. They're the best ones out there, from my opinion. They're the ones that I've learned early on with, they're the ones I've stuck with, and they have a great commission policy. I just really enjoy them. They're easy to use. They have a lot of different trainings and books and anything that you could possibly need to be successful with building funnels. I will also leave you a 14-day free trial if you're interested in trying ClickFunnels. I'll leave that in the description of this video. Okay, so here we are in the back office of ClickFunnels. This is where we are going to build our first funnel. Okay, so quick links. Once you log in, this is where they'll take you. Let's go ahead and build a funnel. Okay. This is going to pop up. Our objective is to collect email addresses. And let's go ahead, and I have one in here, but let's just go ahead and name it AEP 2.0 because that's what we're going to promote. Once that loads up, it's going to give you two steps, an opt-in and a thank you page, and a bunch of different options, templates that you can use to build out your funnel. One, you can build a custom funnel. You can use one of these, but the easiest way to do, and works for most anything that you do, is going to be this one right here, the super clean opt-in. So let's go ahead and select that one. All right, so now this has come up. You can see it here. The first thing that I like to do is kind of clean this up a little bit. So let's go into settings, because I'm not going to use jpipes80. That's just the email that I use when loading this. We're going to use Pipes Marketing because that is the one that I use for most of my funnels. Okay. And we'll scroll all the way down to the bottom here and hit save and update. All right, now that that's done, now let's go ahead and clean this up as well. Let's do AEP 20. Let's go ahead and save this again. All right, and go back to steps. Now you'll see it says pipesmarketingllc.com. You can also come in here, and these are just kind of things you don't need to do, but it makes your page look so much cleaner. Let's do path as AEP 20. Also, same as the other one. And let's update the funnel step. Now that is your domain for this funnel. Now let's come down here and start doing the fun stuff. Let's edit the page. Okay, now this is the actual page the way it looks. This is the template that we just started to use. Now we can edit all of these areas in here to match what we want it to do and say. So let me click over here to the Affiliate Escape Plan, and let's kind of see what he's got going on here. One thing I see here is here's how to get the most out of AEP in a minimum amount of time. So maybe we can use that. Let's click back over here, and let's just say, all right, let's do, get the most out of affiliate marketing in the least fast. All right. Learn the steps taken for sounds pretty good, right? Get the most out of affiliate marketing fast. Learn the steps that made Brian Brewer $400,000 last year. Sounds pretty good to me. Every once in a while, I like to just save. That way, if something goes wrong, we got it saved. So, two things real quick that I want to do is one, I want to add in there another where is it? Area, and we need to put input. Okay. Now in here, let's go to this little orange area on the little wheel. Input take, let's do first name. Let's just do name. Your name here. It's got to be required. And let's make it a little bit bigger. Let's do 20 there. We don't really need to mess with that. Let's do a line to the center to match that one. And I think that should do it there. Let's come down here and do the same with, let's change this one. Instead of download free report today, let's just say, take me to AEP 2.0. Look good to you? I think so. And save. All right, now this isn't going to be any good unless we actually get it to go to that page. So, go up to Settings, scroll down to General, and right here is where we need to put in our website. So, since I'm already an affiliate of AEP, here is my dashboard, Affiliate Escape Plan homepage. Checked it. There's my link. Copy it. Go back here. Place it in there. And done. We don't have any integration set up, but once you have your email autoresponder set up, I use Aweber, integrate existing list. This one will go to AEP members. It is now connected. So now when somebody buys the AEP from me, they'll start being able to get my email autoresponder emails every day. So I saved it, and now we're back into our editor here. We don't really need a thank you page because we're sending them directly over to AEP. So we'll just cancel that part out. And now this is what we have. So now, if you go We want to copy this just to test it out. As you can see, it's live. Get the most out of affiliate marketing fast. Let's do that. That's my name. Take me there. Takes you straight here. This is directly to their sales page. So as you can see, it works. Now, anytime somebody buys, then I get a commission for it. And I don't have to handle any of the credit cards or anything like that. That is all done on the back end with them. So I hope this helps you out. If there's anything else that you may need or have questions on, please leave them in the comments so I can get back to them and respond to you as soon as I can. Thank you. I do want to thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any more of my posts. Check the description below this video so you can receive the 14-day free trial at ClickFunnels, as well as a way to join AEP by going through a 90-minute affiliate challenge, which is a completely 100% free course brought on by Brian Brewer himself. So don't forget to do those things, and I will see you in the next video.